Hi everybody, how are you? We hope you are well. My name is Axel and my partner is Valeria, and today we are going to explain the problem 4 step by step with you. Firstly, Liam's work up to 60 hours each week. His weekly pay EP depends on the number of hours each he works. This information is represented in the graph below. This is the graph. So A. Find the equations for the paceways function. And B. Find the amount Liam is paid in a week that he works 22 hours and 47 hours. Liam works in a week for the first 40 hours and he receives $8 per hour. After 40 hours that Liam works, she earns $12 per hour. The equation that we are going to use to obtain the result for this will be step by step is g minus g1 equals mx minus x1. The first thing we will do take a point since if we select it we will take the following numbers 40 and 320. Now we will locate the following to obtain the slope. So next we must find the slope. The following formula is one. We will use m equals g2 minus g1 divided by x2 minus x1, taking in account 2 points 40 and 320 and 60 with 560. Sin this is what we use the resolution and the substitute for m is equal 560 minus 312 20 divided by 60 minus 40. The value of the slope is 240 divided by 20 equals 12, which means that every 20 hours that Liam works he obtains $240. Now that we have the data to conclude the problem, that we are going to replace g minus g1 equals mx minus x1. We substitute and it is as follows: g minus 320 equals 12x minus 40, and the result is g equals 12x minus 160. So the second point to solve is to find the amount that Liam is paid in the week that he works 22 hours and 47 hours. So here we just need to use the above formula. G equals 12x minus 160 and substitute the value. We must remember that G represents the payment and E and X, the payment in E, and X the hours that Liam works. So 22 hours 20 times 12 times 22 minus 160 is equal 104. A different way of interpreting it. If Liam's work 22 hours, he gets $104 and 47 hours. So substitute and G and 12 times 47 minus 160, it's equal 404. In other words, if Liam's work 47 hours, he gets $404.